Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today it is very rainy. It is very just blah out. I don't know, I'm just like not in the greatest mood. I think the weather really has been affecting me lately, which is unfortunate, but I think I'm just like, I need sunshine. It is just, it's April. I need sunshine. I thought, let's get out of the house, let's get some stuff done, let's do some things that make me happy, thrifting. Today we're at a value village that I've never been to before, so I don't know how it's going to be. On the agenda, I have two that we can go to. They're just outside of Toronto, so they're in a city called Mississauga. If you guys are Canadian, probably know where that is. So this one has like the old-fashioned, can you see it? Old-fashioned sign. Is it that, or is that new? I don't know if that's new or old, but anyways, it's different. So yeah, let's go to this one. Let's go to both. I'll do probably a combined one. Unless this one's like utterly amazing, then I won't do a combined video. I also just wanted to show you, because I always have this like list in my phone. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is a couple of the things that like I'm looking for, that like I've seen or I've been inspired about. So this is something that if I get kind of lost, I will start by looking at this and be like, okay, well now I know what I'm looking for, so I'm not just all over the place. Okay, let's go. It's so rainy, it's so rainy. This place is massive. That is my first impression. We're gonna head to Homewares first. This is really cute, $4.99. Yes, I broke a nail. I broke it last night, it still really hurts. The frame is a little not so great, but the inside of it is really cute. This is really cool as well. Has like dried flowers in it. This is a really nice wood bowl. The music is so loud here. But I kind of want bowls exactly like this, but I would like them to be like wicker. Cute. This is a really cute drink set. Very 70s. You could literally buy this at IKEA for the same price. What? But this is cool. Color of it's really nice. I love this color. My grimy nail. Now we're gonna head over to furniture. I never find anything at Value Village in furniture, but we'll see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's like a little table. I'm assuming you put a cushion on this, but look at, oh my goodness. And it's only $6.99. My favorite section. What is this? Is this a hat or a bowl? Hat or bowl. Anything else? What's this one? Cool little tray. That's kind of nice actually. Okay, nothing that great. I feel like I'm never impressed with anything. I mean, I know I just saw that like rotten table, but I feel like everything else is always kind of not the greatest. So let's go to clothing. Saw this hat just kind of like chilling, but I have a really big head. I don't know if you guys know that, but that's not gonna fit. So we're gonna start in skirts. I decided that's where I'm gonna start. I also watched this video. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it too. It's like why you shouldn't try clothes on in a thrift store, or it's like the secrets behind thrifting or whatever. So I'm a little iffy on like trying on clothes, but we'll see. So right away this calls my attention. It's a skirt, really pretty color, but it's a short skirt, so probably would not wear that. It's so cute though. My little tip for thrifting is say like, okay, I'm gonna look through all of these skirts up until say here. Then I'll go back to this side and I'm gonna look up all of the skirts from here. That way I don't have to double down the aisles, if that makes sense. I only have to go down once. So we're in dresses now. I'm not looking for anything specific. I do want like a beige dress with like yellowy brown flowers. Also, they have this thing on the wall I just want to show you real quick. It's pretty cool. It takes 1,800 gallons of water to make a new pair of jeans. You're helping save the planet by shopping here. This dress is really cool. It's not coming up as cream and warm on camera. I need to see it in front of a mirror. Still on the hunt for a pair of white jeans, preferably flared. You guys see me look for these in every friggin' video, but I can never find them. I don't know if it's meant to be. Here's the skirt. I like it. I just don't know if it'll fit and I don't necessarily want to try it on. Look how little. What is this? Oh my goodness. This is actually really cute, but like super just not practical. Okay, so as big as that one was, I don't know, I wasn't overly impressed. Like, it seemed to be a lot of like newer stuff. I don't know. Anywho, I realized that where I am, I'm in Mississauga, I think I already said that. There's a Talize across the street, and there's also a Salvation Army. I don't usually have good luck at Salvation Army, so we are gonna go to the Talize and see what they have. I have about a half an hour of thrifting time, so I don't know, we'll see. I've only ever been to like one other Talize and I don't think I ever got anything, but we'll see. Let's go. So you know what, this Talize is also crazy big. Hi Jordan, look who joined me. Let's start with dresses, because dresses are as soon as you walk in. Oh god, that is the worst sound. Try to find a brown turtleneck. I found this little section right here of brown. I find it really hard to find the perfect shade of brown. Has anyone else had that issue? Like, there are so many different shades. So long sleeve blouses are 50% off today, and I really like the color of this. I don't know why the camera doesn't pick up warm colors that nicely, but this could work. This could work. Tied up. Also, because 50% off, I would like to have another white blouse because I end up wearing the same one all the time, but I'd like to get something that maybe has like a bit of detailing to it or something. This is really nice. It's linen, but it has this design. So yeah, something that just has a little bit more something to separate it from the other one. So I thought I was looking in size 8 jeans. Turns out I was still in the 5'6" because I found this pair of like flare, but yeah, too small. Frickin' frick. So anyways, I found a couple jeans that did work, but then I forgot, oh yeah, they have to be high-waisted, and they weren't. Okay, you guys. Oh, your big head's in the way. He's like, it's my time to shine, Mom. Okay, really? You too? So I have a ton of stuff to show you. I have a big thrift haul to do, so the next thrifting video is going to be a thrift haul of all of this stuff. I'm really excited to show you guys what I've picked up over the last couple of weeks. If you are not caught up on all of those thrift vlogs, make sure that you are, because this is all the stuff from all of those trips. So yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Oaks loves you too. Hotch too. Say bye. Bye. Bye.